Want to maximize your gardening space? Ever considered going vertical? Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to save space, increase your crop yield, and add a unique aesthetic to your environment. So, how do you set up a vertical garden? Stay tuned. The first step is choosing the right plants for your vertical garden. Selecting suitable plants is vital. Vine plants, herbs, and certain veggies are stellar choices. These adapt well to vertical growth and promise a lush green landscape. With the right plant selection, you're one step closer to your vertical garden. Next, you need to decide on the structure that will support your vertical garden. Trellises, wall planters, or shelves are popular options. Remember, a sturdy structure ensures your garden's safety and success. Choosing a structure that fits your space and plant type is key. Now, it's time to plant and maintain your vertical garden. Start by gently setting your selected plants into the structure. Regular watering, adequate sunlight, and periodic fertilizing are key to their survival. With proper care, your vertical garden will thrive. Once you've set everything up and maintained it well, it's time to enjoy your vertical garden. The fruits of your labor are now on full display, adding a vibrant splash of green to your living space. Not only does it serve as a unique decoration, but it also provides a source of fresh homegrown produce. The joy of harvesting your own fruits and vegetables is a reward in itself. Remember, a successful garden requires patience and care, but the results are well worth it. That's all there is to setting up a vertical garden. From choosing the right plants to selecting a suitable structure, planting, and maintenance, it's a journey that's both rewarding and enriching. So why not give it a go? Experience the many benefits of vertical gardening for yourself. It doesn't just save space, but also adds a touch of green to your surroundings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! Happy!